Yay, part 2 of drone recovery. Just walked out, bit slippery out there but not too bad, and I have my little drone back and it looks like it's fairly unscathed. It just touched and flipped over on the rock. Thank God it didn't fall in the water, so it's fine. So again, I've just walked from that corner rock there back here, and now I have to go up here. Oh, wish me luck. I'm going to be extremely careful, but it should be pretty easy with the straps helping me up there. A couple of good foot areas to place my feet, so happy days. It's actually a great spot here to bring my cameras down. Beautiful. Might leave the ropes there and come back with the camera.